In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable image link in Webflow. Whether you're looking to make your website more interactive or to guide your audience seamlessly through different sections, creating an image link is a simple yet effective tool you can use. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where you'd like to add the clickable image. Once you're in, your next step is to add elements to your workspace. To do this, take a look at the left-hand toolbar and locate the option that says Add Elements. Once there, you'll see a variety of components you can use to enhance your website. What you're looking for specifically is the link block. The link block is a versatile element in Webflow that allows you to transform different types of content, including images, into interactive links. Once you've found the link block, simply drag it to where you'd like your image to appear. If it helps, imagine the link block as a container that will wrap around your image, making it clickable. Now, let's add the image itself inside this block. Head back to the Add Elements section and this time, scroll down until you find the image element. With a few simple clicks, drag the image element into the link block. Ensuring that the image is indeed inside the link block is crucial, as it will otherwise not function as a link. With the image in place, the next step is to upload the photo you'd like to use. Click on the image placeholder, which should give you an option to Replace Image on the right side. Select Upload to locate and upload your chosen image from your computer. Once the image is successfully uploaded, simply click it to insert it into the block. Now, with the image set, it's time to set the link destination. To change the link, you'll need to navigate using Webflow's interface. Click on the navigator to find and select the link block that you've just worked with. You'll notice on the right-hand side, there's an option labeled Settings. In this area, there's an array of link settings you can configure. For instance, if you want your image to direct to a specific URL, input the link right here. Alternatively, you can also choose a specific page on your site if that's more aligned with your goal. Once you're satisfied with all your settings and everything looks fine, don't forget to save your work. With everything set in place, you've successfully created an image link. Now, when someone visits your site and clicks on the image, they'll be seamlessly redirected to the link you specified. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance navigation on your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your web design journey.